Welcome to Top Tech with another video of top 3 most advanced military drones in the world. These drones have the ability to fly in heights and bear harsh environment. Number 1 is MQ-9 Reaper that is manufactured in United States. It is designed to fly over a very high altitude. It has one engine with 900 horsepower and can reach a speed of more than 450 km per hour. It can fly over the altitude of 27,000 meters. Number 2 is Predator Sea Avenger that is a faster drone and manufactured in United States. It has one jet engine that allow it to go to 700 km per hour. It can fly at a height of 15,000 meters. Number 3 is RQ-4 Global Hawk that is manufactured in United States. It has a jet engine that allow it to move with a speed of 650 km per hour and can go at a height of 18,000 meters. It has ability to provide high-quality images of large geographical areas. It is currently using by US Air Force and Japan Air Force. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe to Top Tech to never miss an update.